Welcome back. Today I will solve some problem of set in exercise 4.1.4. If a set A x such that x is a natural number, x is a natural number, so set is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot dot n. And also B set is equal to x such that x is an even number. So even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 dot dot so on. And also set of C, x is an odd natural number, so 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 dot dot so on. And also D set is equal to x is an prime number, so 2, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 dot dot so on. Now question number first, we find A intersection B. So A intersection B is equal to A set of A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot dot natural number. And also intersection set of B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 dot dot so on. So A intersection B common element of both set. So common element of both set, so element of set A intersection B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 dot dot so on. This is set of B. This is set of B. This is x such that x is an natural number. And also A intersection C. So set of A x set of A 1 to element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot dot so n. And also intersection C is equal to C x 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 dot dot. So common element of both set 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 7. So common element 1, 3, 5, 7 dot dot. So element x such that x is an odd natural number, so set of odd natural number, so set of C. And third part A intersection D. So A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot dot so on, and intersection D for set of element 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 dot dot so on. So common element of both set 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 dot dot so on. This is X such that X is a prime natural number, prime natural number. So set of D यानी कि A intersection D is equal to set of D, and remaining part of also you can solve this situation. And question number 8. Question number 8. Which of the following pair of set are disjoint set? First part, set 1, 2, 3, 4. Let set A and also set X such that X is a natural number and 4 less than or equal to X less than or equal to 6. So set of B is equal to natural number 4, 5 and 6. This set A and common element both set 4. So it is not disjoint set. This it is not disjoint set because common element 4 in both set. And second part, so A, E, I, O, U. This is set of A, and another set B is equal to set B, C, D, E, F. So common element E. So it is not a disjoint set. Because common element E both in set. And also third part, set A is X such that X is an even even natural number, even natural number. So A is equal to even 2, 4, 6, 8 dot dot so on. And also set of B is equal to x such that x is an odd integer. So 1, 3, 5, 7 dot dot so on. This is set B. No common element in both set. Answer this it is disjoint set because no common element in both set. And question number 9. If a set 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and B set is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and C set element 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16 also. And D set is equal to 5, 10, 15 and 20. So find first part solution. First part A minus B. First part A minus B. So element of set 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18, 21 and minus B element 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. A minus B means those element of A not present in B. So A minus B. So not present in B, 3 not present in B, 6 not present in B, 9 not present in B and 12 present and 15 not present in B and 18 not present in B and 21 not present in B. So A minus B. And also second part A minus C. So A minus C element of set A 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15, 18, 21 and minus C for 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. B, A minus C. So those element of set A not present in set of B, so A minus C, so 3 and also 3, 9, 3 not present in B, 9 not present in B and 15 not present in this and 18 not present in this and 21 not present in this set. So A minus C. And question number 10. Question number 10. If x is equal to set A comma B comma C comma D and y set F B D and Z, so find first x minus y is equal to A comma B comma C comma D and y minus F B D and Z. So those element of set X not present in set Y, so A minus Y. So A not present in this set, B common out and C not present in set this and D present. X minus Y and second part x y minus x, so y minus x, so y F B D and Z and x A comma B comma C comma D. Those element of set Y not present in set of X, this is Y minus X. So F not present in this set F and B and D common, so Z also not present in this set, so Y minus X. So this is answer. And question number 11. Question number 11. If R is the set of real number and Q is a set of rational number, then what is R minus Q? So solution for this question, R is equal to X such that X is a real number and set of Q is equal to X such that X is a rational number. So R minus Q. By definition, collection of rational irrational number known as real number and rational number. So R minus Q is X such that X is an irrational number. Rational number. Complement of a set. Let U universal set be U be universal set and A is a subset of this universal set. Then complement of A is set of all elements which are not present in set of element A. It is denoted by A dash or A power C, denoted by A or A C. So in symbolically form A dash X such that X is element of universal set and X does not belong to in set A. So A dash is equal to U minus A. Some property of complement of the set. Complement law. First, A union complement of A, so universal set, and also A intersection complement of the set A dash is equal to phi empty set. And De Morgan laws. First, A union complement of A union B is equal to complement of A intersection complement of B, and also A complement of A intersection B is equal to complement of A union complement of B. Double law of complement is complement of complement is equal to original set A. So law of empty set phi complement of phi is equal to whole universal set and law of universal set. So a universal set complement of universal set is equal to phi. So now learn in this property. So tomorrow will be discuss complement of set. That's all.